Hello, today I'm going to show you an awesome unboxing video by me for you. Today let me introduce you this here. Seiren version 3 Mini microphone arm. This is the boom arm compatible with the Seiren Mini, Seiren version 3 Mini Chroma, Razer Seiren version 2 and X and Pro, and the Seiren X. It's a microphone arm with a cable sleeve, a stand for streaming for gaming by YOUSHARES. Perfect positioning. This swivel arm ensures that our Seiren version 2 X Mic, for example, or Seiren Mini, stays exactly where we want it. No sagging, just a firm hold. Enhance your gaming experience with this essential accessory. And universal compatibility, because this adjustable microphone arm works seamlessly with the Razer Seiren version 2 X, Razer Seiren Mini, Razer Seiren version 3 Chroma, Razer Seiren version 3 Mini, Razer Seiren version 2 Pro, the Razer Seiren Elite, and Seiren X. Before attaching it to the microphone stand, we simply detach the bottom rod of the microphone to adjust it to the adapter. And an effortless adjustment and replacement. We easily adjust the position of our Razer Seiren Mini microphone, perfect for streaming, gaming, and podcasting. This microphone arm offers a wide range of movement because the flexible interface of each microphone swivel arm allows for an easy installation and a convenient folding too. And on top, we have an easy cable management. We arrange the cables of our Razer Seiren version 2 X USB condenser microphone stand with this microphone cable management case. We install this cable case on the Razer microphone stand to give our microphone arm a cleaner and more organized appearance. And this all-in-one set includes the Seiren version 2 X microphone stand, a table clamp, a 3/8 inches to 5/8 inches screw adapter, and the 2 cable sleeves are all included. So the only thing we have to need is, of course, a microphone for this. Because the microphone stand we have already here. Because this is the microphone stand. It comes without, of course, a microphone. Yeah, of course, yeah. We need to unscrew the mic lever first, if you have a Razer microphone. And then we can attach it by using the adapter. It's compatible to all that. And it's freely adjustable. We could be simply remove up and down from 180 degrees and rotate it 360 degrees. And of course we can make a silver extension to 70 degrees for giving us a perfect range of motion if we need it. We have all what we need. A horizontal arm, which is 13.8 inches. 350 millimeter. An arm adjusting knob, it locked at 180 a range, and at the front side where the microphone comes into it, a microphone connector. 3/8 inches, maximum load is 1.4 kilogram. And the mic adjustment knob, it locked at 270 degrees range, and a vertical arm. All this comes together to a nice microphone stand. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback om to se gerne on my channel. Dun dun!